It's deer in the headlights time, folks. I'm tired. All right, this thing came today, and this is Burgh Unboxing, and I would have known if I hadn't read my email. So, pull to open. Save this resealable bag for returns. Now, at no point they tell you how to open it. Just say, pull. I guess you got to pull this. Okay. And this was done with the proceeds of a gift card that I received from Carrie. Thank you, Carrie. And I'm always running out of these. Two of them fell behind my fan here. They were in the charger. When I went to reach for the charger, they popped out. Okay, we have 4. Mr. Fluffington is hissing again. Fluffy, I'm busy. I'll let you out in a minute. 4 AAA Rayovac rechargeable batteries. So I'm going to open these up and see if they're charged. 5-year power, lasts 4.4 times longer. And they have it in French, which I don't know anybody in France. And it says here, Rayovac new rechargeable batteries. Every time I go to Walmart, they're always out of these, which is another reason I keep running out, because they never have any. They have tons of AA, but no AAAs. All right, there's 4. So and I always wind up dropping one. I don't know why. And it goes under the chair. Okay. All right, now. Oh my God. Okay. Now let's take my light here and stab myself with a scissor. Maybe. Wanted to clean, but I'm too worn out from being sick on Saturday. I think that's what's affecting my brain. There's just too much going on. All right, this takes 3 batteries, so we will see if these work in the motion-activated light, which I haven't tried yet because I haven't had the batteries to spare for them because I had to use my flashlight. All right, they work. And for those of you who have not seen the unboxing video of this, well, I have to figure out where the remote is. I put the remote, I think, in there. But what this does when you go by it, the remote controls this. Let me see if I have the remote somewhere. There it is. My memory is like a colander anymore. I can't remember anything once I write it down, or I have to double back. What did I do with that the last time I saw it? All right, this turns it off. There's it on. And it will flash. And then you turn that off. Oh, it was strobe, fade, smooth, and then different colors. You really can't. No, let's see if I can get this up here. That's why I ordered the batteries. Now what's weird is this on the remote control, it looks more like it's a blue. There's a light green and another green, and then a kind of an orange, and then a yellowish pink, and then a blue that looks more like a sea green. This one, this one, this one, and that one. And oh, I guess that means white. So maybe there's a little sun thing. It makes it brighter. That's what it is. Let's put this on red. Let's see what. Yeah, when you put it on W, it turns it completely white and gets rid of the red. So anyway, batteries work. So I get some of these AA's and AAA's that don't work, and I have to recharge them. All right, that's it for this one, and that's it for Burgh Unboxing for tonight. I ordered a keyboard. I don't know what planet that's gone to. I keep waiting for my keyboard. And I better turn a light on before YouTube freaks out who can't see him. Or maybe they freak out if they can see me. All right. Thank you, Carrie, again for your wonderful gift card. I bought some of this stuff. This is George Senda, the forgetful one, and tired. I'm going to take a nap after this. Have a great evening. It is 8:27. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe out there. Stay dry and warm. And I will catch you next time. If someone leaves a comment, please leave me a comment. Let me know when winter starts, because all the way across the kitchen is the calendar, and I have no clue what day the first day of winter is. And it's in little, there's three, well, that's Christmas. The 25th, I can see it's Christmas. It says 25. But what the small print is, I have no, I need a calendar. It's like this big that has giant print. Or better still, I need my Wi-Fi back with a new internet provider. And then I could ask the machine, when's the first day of winter, Alexa or Siri or Google? And I'm still curious about why all those devices have females as the voice. No males. I want Ralph or Al or Sam or something, or George even. All right, that's it. Bye-bye for now.